Hello, Leadership A students. This is Mrs. Lindberg, and we are on week 5 of Leadership A. You're going to have 2 items to complete from the pacing guide this week. So I'm going to show you in this quick video. Let's see. We're going to go into Module 1. And we're going to be going to the last part of Module 1 and go to the 1.07. So these are the last 2 items that we're going to be doing for this. So you're going to be clicking on this. For 1.07, you will be calling or making an appointment with me to complete your discussion-based assessment. We will have a conversation based on the material you have learned in Module 1 to ensure you are ready to move on. You're going to look at the rubric. So when you click here, this will bring up the rubric. And this is what we're going to be having a conversation about. So you're going to be looking over all of this information and setting up an appointment. I'm going to minimize that, and then I'm going to come back here. I just want to show you, you can either set up an appointment through a phone call, but the other option that you have is under course info. You can also set up through the virtual office. So the virtual office, if you haven't gone in here, you're going to click Join from Browser. Alright, so this is what the virtual classroom looks like. You can notice that there's a chat room here. So if you type anything, it goes up into the chat. This is the microphone, so if you wanted to just have a voice conversation, you would click there. If you want to have a webcam conversation, you would click there. So this is another option for setting up your meeting when you're ready for your 1.07 assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a wonderful week.